Have you ever considered why someone born in one country might have vastly different legal protections and opportunities compared to someone born just across a border, or even within the same country but with different parentage? It is a complex reality that shapes individual lives around the globe. Nationality profoundly affects a person's rights by establishing their legal relationship with a specific state. Essentially, your nationality determines which country is legally obligated to protect you, what rights you possess within that country, and how you are treated under international law, defining the scope of your legal obligations and entitlements. The core mechanism behind this lies in the principle of state sovereignty. Each sovereign state has the inherent authority to define who its citizens are and what rights and responsibilities those individuals possess. This means that while universal human rights are recognized for all people, specific civil, political, economic, social, and cultural rights are largely determined by national laws. Two primary ways nationality is acquired are jus soli, meaning right of soil or birth within a state's territory, and jus sanguinis, meaning right of blood or descent from a national. These national laws interact with international treaties and conventions, which often set minimum standards for human rights, but the concrete application and additional rights are state-specific. To understand your specific rights, you need to first identify your nationality and any additional resident statuses you may hold. Then, consult the national laws of the relevant country or countries. It is crucial to distinguish between rights typically afforded to citizens, those granted to legal residents who are not citizens, and the universal human rights that should apply to everyone regardless of their nationality or residency status. For clarity on complex situations, consulting legal counsel specializing in immigration or international law is often the most effective approach. Consider the extreme case of statelessness, where an individual is not considered a national by any state. This lack of nationality can severely restrict access to fundamental rights like education, healthcare, employment, and even the ability to travel, highlighting the critical role nationality plays. Conversely, some regional blocs, such as the European Union, create agreements that grant citizens of member states additional rights and freedoms, like freedom of movement and residence, within the bloc, transcending strict national borders for certain purposes. Ultimately, a person's nationality is a foundational legal concept that dictates a significant portion of their rights and protections within the global framework. Understanding this intricate interplay between national laws, international agreements, and an individual's specific status is key to comprehending the diverse landscape of human entitlements across different countries and regions.